Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video is about my favorite pair of lashes, and I've been thinking about doing this video for ages, and if I'm not doing it right now, I will forget it. So I try and I say, you know what, just do it now. I was going into this building and this lady asked me, oh, how did you get it done? This lady asked me, did you get it done? How much was it? And the price and all that. I was like, what? She didn't say my lash extension, but obviously she thought like I was wearing eyelash extension. So I was like, no girl, those are lashes. What? She said, yeah, I remember what she said. She said, oh, it is $90. I was like, damn, no, I would not. Even if I'm a billionaire, I would never spend that kind of money just to get this done. I mean, never say never, but I wish only get my eyelash extension for vacation, when I'm lazy to put on, my lashes every single day, So yeah, this is the pair of lashes. Let me get closer. And I'm sure you guys are familiar with AliExpress lashes. It's cheap and you get it for your money. Like, it's really worth it. And yeah, this is the lashes, and it comes with obviously 5 pair of lashes for like $2 to $3, and it's really inexpensive. And so if you want to get it, sis, I wear lashes every day. My lashes has to be on point, and I'm not here to say that you need to spend $30 for a pair of lashes. Listen, you get it after 2 months, but it's really worth it. And the trick with that, you need to fit your eyes correctly. So this one, I cut it all except those two. I just put it from another box, but the one at the bottom, I cut it, they say cut 2 times. I place it on my eyes, and it's just to see where I need to cut. Then I cut 2 strands of lash, and then I fit again on my eyes, and it fits perfectly. Once you made the lashes to fit in correctly in your eyes, you want to add like a little bit of mascara. You can add mascara, but for me, I don't really add mascara, and people still look at me like, just wear lashes. Like, I'm not kidding. People wear like, every time I see a girl, she always wonder if I'm wearing like lash extension or something like that, and what kind of lash extension is that, because it's so it's pretty. It's so pretty. A little secret, and I repeat, don't get it out of stock, please, because I need to restock my lash extension. My lash. This pair of lashes. So this was my favorite pair of lashes I wanted to share with you. This style, I believe every vendor has like different name for the same pair of lashes, because if you see this type of lashes, they have like different name, but it's the same thing. So I will put the link where I bought the lashes from, the company that I bought the lashes from. And yeah, this one is the J800, and that's it. If you do not know how to properly put on lashes, fake lashes, just click the link down below. I made a video not a while ago not too long ago about how to put on eyelash extension, how to put on lashes, fake lashes. So if you're interested, just click the link and you will be redirected to the video. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Say, baby, I love you.